There are right and wrong reasons to use outside suppliers instead of producing a component of a product in-house. The right reasons are broadly because that outside supplier can do it better than you can. How do you know they can do it better? Usually because they already do, or at least they do something very similar and can have demonstrated that they can do it better for other customers. The wrong reasons to use an outside supplier are because they promised in a contract to do it cheaper, to do it quicker, and, by the way, to do it at high quality levels. For some definition of quality that you've written in to a contract, once you are over the euphoria of sticking it to your unionized workforce, that's a recipe for disappointment. That's what happened when Boeing created Spirit Aerosystems just in order to squeeze costs, insist on faster production, and to make the arrangement even more perfect, penalize this newly outsourced supplier for lapses in quality. That is possibly the perfect illustration of how not to outsource. You can't possibly take your own factory, sell it off to a newly created entity, and demand they perform better, then pay them less, and expect that to work. That's how we can know it's bad outsourcing. Good outsourcing is when an established supplier in your industry creates a track record of making a component better, or assembling a product better, or doing better design work in a particular specialty, often because they do that task for other customers who keep coming back to them. Boeing faces an added dimension of problems in its outsourcing. Boeing has done two things to weaken its unions: moved 787 production to South Carolina and spun off Spirit Aerosystems. Boeing is going to have a rough time with the union negotiations this year because of these previous actions that harmed labor relations.